Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Seltos SX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 175 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.